All right, let's show you how to create this interactive chart in Excel. Let's say we have some data and we want to create a simple graph with a drop-down so that your data is not so difficult for people to read. And we can accomplish that in a few simple steps. Taking a quick peek at our data, here we have a list of our countries, some sales data over time, and we've also prepped this area for our chart data. Now, this chart area can be on the same sheet or a different one, yet for today, we'll keep it on the same sheet just for convenience. So we'll start by adding our drop-down list, and we can do that by going up here and clicking on Data, then choosing Data Validation, and we can change that to allow for a list. Then go over here and select our list of countries, click OK, and the first step is complete. Now the next step is to pull in our values, and to do that, we can use the XLOOKUP function. So instead of typing it, let's go up here and click on this FX icon, do a search for it, click OK, and now we can just fill in the blanks. So for the lookup value, we can go up here and click on the country. And for the lookup array, that's going to be our list of countries, so we can select that. And the last part we need is the return array. And for the return array, we can select our chunk of sales numbers and then click OK. Now, if we get this right, we should see all the sales numbers from the individual countries show up. Next, let's go ahead and add our chart. There are a few ways to do this, but in this case, let's just select our data and then press Alt F1, and that will create our graph. And once the graph is created, we can go up here and click on the Chart Design tab and change the color or the style if we want to. And that's how it's done. Okay, before you go, in case you need to learn Excel and you've grown tired of people promoting their overpriced courses constantly, we offer a free 3-hour training course on the main channel, and there's a link in the bio if you care to check that out. If you like this video, please feel free to share it and make sure to follow for more tips.